Click on the link below to get price. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, 256GB in natural titanium, is a remarkable device that embodies both style and performance. As a renewed product, it exceeded my expectations in terms of quality and functionality. Upon unboxing, the aesthetic appeal of the natural titanium finish is immediately striking. It offers a sleek, premium look that feels as good as it looks. The weight is balanced and comfortable, making it easy to handle throughout the day. Performance-wise, the A17 Pro chip embedded in this device is a true powerhouse. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming high-definition content, the iPhone 15 Pro Max operates seamlessly. Applications launch with impressive speed, and graphics-heavy games run smoothly without any noticeable lag. The 256GB storage is ample for anyone who enjoys capturing thousands of photos, videos, and downloading numerous apps. One of the standout features is the camera system. The triple lens setup, including an upgraded telephoto lens, delivers stunning photos even in low-light conditions. The improved computational photography capabilities produce sharp, vibrant images that rival those taken with professional cameras. Night mode and various new photographic styles enhance creativity, ensuring that every snapshot is a masterpiece. Battery life is another highlight. The iPhone 15 Pro Max easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage, thanks to efficient power management. Fast charging capabilities and MagSafe compatibility add to the convenience, allowing users to recharge quickly on the go. As a renewed device, my unit came in excellent condition, with no visible signs of wear. The certification process ensured that it was tested for functionality, which gave me peace of mind. In conclusion, the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, 256GB in natural titanium, is a top-tier smartphone that offers exceptional performance, an impressive camera, and an elegant design. For those considering a renewed option, this device provides an outstanding balance of value and quality, making it a worthwhile investment.